Okay.
This helmet's worth great.
Yeah. So many fly.
Okay, so that got the very beginning of it. So.
Wow, you know that got hot. So how did he do?
So it actually looks pretty smooth. You can see where the ring of the was digging
Yeah,
into
yeah,
it.
that's what was stopping me from going forward. Yeah.
So back here you
And I kept it up just a little bit on the second time,
Yeah.
so it wouldn't get
Yeah.
stuck in.
You can see the burn mark on the inside is getting almost all the way through. Which is,
Right.
if you get it too hot or too slow, you'll burn through all the way and make holes,
Yeah.
which is the problem with the light material.
Too thin.
With a heavier material, it's harder to do that. So actually, you did pretty good on that. It looks like
Woohoo! Success.
because that weld will not break.